ladies and gentlemen. Stage 10 delivery. These have come. I have got, I think it's 15 Begonias in here. Got them ready. They're on special offer. Thompson and Morgan. What we're going to do is just get these open, folks. See what they're like. First time I've bought garden ready Begonias from Thompson and Morgan. Hopefully they're good. Right, that's that. Oh, that's that. Looking good anyway. Let's move them across here. See what they look like. I've got the water ready, so just netting is round them. Hope everybody's keeping well. Oh yeah, they look fine though. Yeah, toppers are still mild. Begonia, apricot shades. It's an improved variety. Look at these. That is a gorgeous flower. That. What we'll do now is, first thing you want to do with anything that's been posted to you, just want to give them a little water. Give them a really good soak. You don't want these to dry out. You don't want it too powerful, you don't want to ruin them. Let that soak in. That's brilliant. And then we have, once I've done those, I think I've got some seeds to open next. So, just open these just off camera, folks. Yeah, but I hope everybody's keeping well. Let's put these to one side. Put in a really nice strong tray there. Let's get these open. Should be 2 packets of seeds here. Yes. That's brilliant. Here we go. I have Hungarian blue, exotic glitter borders, and we have some stunning bread poppy seeds. That's an album, that's like a pale white variety. So they're both from Thompson and Morgan. It says here, let's get a bit of water, just want to dry them off. Flowers, so direct, so August, September, and then May, April, May. And here, Hungarian blue, so on the glass or indoors, March, April, May. Direct sow and plant outside, April, May. Always June, August, September. I'll do this for both of these. I'll start these off in September, October. We shall have these. So really enjoy growing poppies. Put these over here. It's going to be great. I'm going to do them right from the edge there, right to the greenhouse. As you can see here, I have these are just chucked on here. Some seeds I had left over, so hopefully there's going to be a good variety here. Different flowers, had some really nice blue ones already. They should have been thinned out, but I just left them. Just thought, get it covered, rather than poppies growing through them weeds. Yeah, so that's really good, that. Absolutely brilliant. So yeah, let's come back here. Look at these. They should have picked up a little bit now. So yeah, I can't recommend these enough. These are really, really good quality plants. And the price was amazing. I can't remember the price exactly, but I know it was cheap for those. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything at all, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like videos, please subscribe. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.